Hello friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. Well, I'm back here to present to you a new idea. In this, I'm going to be redecorating this damaged part of the wall here. And this is one of the most common problem faced in the school because of the continuous use of the nails, stapler guns, glue gun onto the wall. The plaster always chips off. So I had many designs in the mind, and the most common which I have been contemplating to make, you can see the digital version of this, and afterwards I'll show you how I did it in the real time. Well, of course, blue color being the dark color and one of my favorite also, I always use it as a base, and for that I have used blue pastel sheets full size for the same. Similar, exactly the same color I have used for the as the base of the artwork here. And this leafy design pattern is nothing but one of the corner designs I have used. I had plenty of those ready already, but then I didn't want to use them all because that would have really confined the space inside. And this being the rectangular section of the wall, just wanted to use this leafy pattern to the minimum. Well, once this was done, the only remaining section in the center was available for the designing. Well, since preparation is the key when you're designing a big section of the wall, so for that I had prepared 3D flowers, and 3D flowers being the reason for using them was to use the old paper available. I had stacks and stacks of sheet A4 size, a very good paper which was used for printing a sort of a pamphlet or something, and which was quite old. Many years back I've had it and been saving it just to use it somewhere in the art. Maybe in the last part of the video I'll show you. It's there, back side it's always printed, but the front side it's the petals have come out very nice because of the quality of the paper. This being the digital representation, this is not exactly the setting I had used, just to show you the feel of the flowers, how I have been using it. White color being, it looks very beautiful, but sort of very difficult to manage also, because it looks very bland. You need to add a bit of color just to bring a lot of sort of a zing to the flower. So here I'm just giving a very rough look of the many colors, but in reality I had used pom-poms. So just enjoy the process here. This is nothing but the very primary stage of the work, just the creating of the designs. And since there is a lot of blank space left, so just to add, tiny bit of design to the design, to the artwork here, I have used silver sheet and cut them into circles, and they were pasted onto the wall with the help of a glue gun. वो शीट के ऊपर glue gun लगेगा तो उससे कोई problem नहीं आता है. And so this is what I wanted to show you design. अब real time में इसको start करते हैं. एक बार designing ख़त्म हो गया, now I started using, for this sort of artwork I think I have used 6-7 of full size pastel sheets. इसका भी काफ़ी enough size में आती हैं ये, they're big enough. And I'm a firm believer of keeping the damage to the minimum, to the wall of course. So therefore I don't use glue, Fevicol. Otherwise Fevicol काफ़ी sturdy है, strong adhesive है, but staple pins least damage create करती हैं wall के ऊपर. And if at all I want to get rid of them, तो वो easily निकल भी जाती हैं. So this is the leafy pattern. They were initially made for a bulletin board, so I have made them enough to frame all the four corners of the bulletin board. But as I told you earlier also, अगर ये कॉर्नर्स में चारों तरफ अगर मैंने यूज़ कर लिया होता तो बीच का स्पेस बहुत कन्फाइन हो जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ब्लॉक्स इन, वो एक सॉर्ट ऑफ अ केज का क्रिएट करना है, विच आई डेंट वॉन्ट ऑफ कोर्स. So here only using this leafy pattern on the corners. कई दफ़ा वॉल के अंदर कई सेक्शंस ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें स्टेपल पेन जाता ही नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू कीप रीस्टेपलिंग इट. सो दीज आर द फ्लावर्स. सेंटर में ये सिमिलर कलर्स के पॉम लगा दिए हैं. अर्लियर द प्लान वाज टू यूज़ देम एज इट इज़ ऑन टू द वॉल, एंड आई थॉट दे देमसेल्व्स वुड बी सफिशेंट, एंड दिस पॉम इटसेल्फ वुड ऐड इनफ कलर कि इसमें और किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. बट जब ये वॉल के ऊपर लगाया तो दे वर लुकिंग वेरी ब्लैंड. सो एज यू वर्क अलॉन्ग यू ऑलवेज लर्न. सो just to get rid of the blandness of the entire flower here, I thought of using spray gun. And this is what happens when you don't have enough paint in your gun. Spray cans. गलत भी हो जाता है, मगर ये वाला स्पेशली दिस फ्लावर टर्न आउट टू बी वेरी वेरी नाइस, बिकॉज ये गलत हो गया था स्प्रे करते करते, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कलर कर दिया था. तो आई हैड अ क्रीम कलर ऑल्सो स्प्रे कैंस में, तो उसको ब्लेंड किया तो एंटायर मार्बल इफेक्ट फ्लावर में निकल के आया, विच ऑफ कोर्स आई रियली एंजॉयड द लुक इन द एंड. ये लास्ट में जब ये पूरा वॉल पे लगेगा तो प्लीज़ डू नोटिस कि इसका मार्बल इफेक्ट वो स्किन कलर यूज़ करने के बाद किस तरीके से निकल के आया. As I was telling you, just to add the colors in the flower, I started using spray cans. Spray cans भी, इसमें भी एक मैंने गलती करी है जो I would rather want कि whoever wants to recreate this, ensure that you don't use the same spray can onto the same pom-pom colors. Because उससे क्या हुआ ना, pom-pom को लगाने का पर्पस ही फेल हो गया. Because ये दूर से दिख ही नहीं रहे, वो जो 3D फील होनी चाहिए, जो थोड़ा ये जटेड आउट जो कैरेक्टर है इसका पूरा पॉम-पॉम्स का, वही पूरा दब गया. Wherein you can see in this flower where I'm using orange onto blue pom-pom, they are looking far better than the ones जहाँ पे पूरा ग्रीन के साथ ग्रीन एंड ब्लू के साथ ब्लू ब्लेंड कर दिया है. So I goofed up here, but didn't realize until of course it was a little late. But I feel that sometimes these imperfections can be beautiful. They can add character to the room too. So with the help of the glue gun, I started securing them onto the wall. And since ये already लगा दिए थे wall के ऊपर, तो पीछे थोड़ा glue gun का लगा हुआ था. And you have to ensure that the base is pretty clean. तभी ये अच्छे से stick करेंगे, नहीं तो they will keep falling. अब आप देख सकते हो जो पीछे की तरफ वो जो पैम्फलेट वाला फील आ रहा है, वो सारा प्रिंटेड आउट सेक्शंस आर क्वाइट विजिबल. आई एम ऑलरेडी स्टैंडिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द टेबल हियर, सो आई डिड ट्राई टू सॉर्ट आउट दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सेंटर जो ब्लेंड हो गया है खिचड़ी की तरह. आई वॉन्टेड कि लीव शुड लुक सेपरेट, जैसे कि बाकी शीट्स का जो पेटल्स हैं दे आर स्टैंडिंग आउट बिकॉज ऑफ द शैडोज दे आर क्रिएटिंग. वेयर इन द सेंटर वाला पेटल्स है वो पूरा एक सॉर्ट ऑफ मडेड लुक फील का दे रहा है. सो आई डिड कम अप विद अ solution to improve that as well. See, now the problem was कि सारे बड़े बड़े फ्लावर्स रह गए थे एंड के अंदर, एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव स्मॉलर सेक्शंस. सो सी द रेमेडी आई हैड, लास्ट वाला सेक्शन का पेटली खींच के निकाल दिया. दैट वॉज फन. इसका भी देखो, दैट वॉज क्विक, isn't it? Really enjoyed that part. This size was fine. I think that would have filled out the corner. And in the end, only the finishing touches were added. That is, with the help of the acrylic color, I did define the leaves in the center. You can see here. Pom-poms, okay, they are visible here, but clearly distance से इतना clear नहीं दिख रहा था. And this silvery circular pattern were added in the end, and this is the entire project of the wall which I did it. And I hope you enjoyed the process with me, and do try out and share your feedback on this. I really look forward to that. Have a good day. Thank you. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Good day. Bye bye.